Hello students, today I'm going to show you how to use Kami to complete assignments that your teachers may post for you in your Google Classroom. So this first step is going to your Google Classroom to see if you have any assignments that need to be completed. You get there by going into Clever and then finding the tile that says Classroom. Once you click on it, it takes you to the Google Classroom dashboard where you will find any classroom that you have already joined. Just as a reminder, if you have to still join a classroom, you can click the little plus sign up here and click join a class and then enter your class code. But if you already know which class you're trying to get into, you can go ahead and click on that class. And here I'm just using a sample class to show you how to use this. So I'm going to scroll down to look to see if there's are any assignments that need to be completed using Kami. And here we have one that's posted on the stream, and it's Jennifer Dillon posted a new assignment via Kami Tall Tales Test. So I'm going to go ahead and click on this assignment, and then it brings me to an assignment page. The assignment page tells me the title of the assignment, when it is due, as well as how many points it is worth. Over on the right-hand side, it tells me your work. And then I can go ahead and click on the actual assignment that's been posted by the teacher. When I click on it, it takes me to this page so I can look at it. From here, all I can really do is look at the document. I can't really do anything to it. So I'm going to go ahead and open with Kami at the top of the page. And when I click on that, it brings me to a page that looks like this. And here is the document that the teacher wants me to complete. And then on the left-hand side, I have a toolbar. And the most important part of this toolbar is the text box right here. So I can go ahead and make sure that I'm clicked on text box. Okay, and it tells me how large the font's going to be that I'm going to be using. Then I'm going to scroll down. And as you can see, I have already completed the text part of this. But just so I can show you how to use it, I'm going to select it and I'm going to delete it. And this is what you would do if you made a mistake as well. So here we are. I clicked on text box and I'm going to click right here. There's no need to increase the size of the text box because it will automatically get bigger as you begin to type. At the top, there's also a toolbar that I can change the font if I'd like to. You always want to make sure that you're going to use a font that's easy to read. So now I can go ahead and I can type in my name. And oops, I typed it incorrectly. So now I can backspace and type it correctly. Now I want to go down here to class and I'm going to do the same thing. Oops. And start a text box and I'm going to say my class is D29. Then I'm going to come over here to table, create another text box. And actually today I am at my kitchen table instead of a table number. And now I am finished. So all I needed to do was complete that page for my teacher. So now I'm going to go up to the top. If there were multiple pages, I could keep scrolling down, but here I can see that there's only one page of one page. If there were more than one page, it would say page 1 of 2, page 1 of 3, etc. And then as I scrolled down, I would be able to get to those other pages so that I could complete them. But now that I know there's only one page to complete, I can go up here to the Save button that also says Turn In. And I'm going to click on that button and it brings up a menu and it tells me that it's unsubmitted. So I need to turn this in so that I can get credit for it. So I'm going to go ahead and click on Turn In and now it's saving to Google Drive. And now it's turning it in to my teacher. And now I am finished. I can go ahead and click Done. And this menu will go away. And now I'm going to close this window because I've finished. And I want to get back to my Google Classroom. From here, I need to go to this back button. It's also the close button, and that will take me back to my Google Classroom. And that's it. Hopefully, this has shown you how you can complete assignments that your teachers post for you using Kami.